Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study mental health nursing. Easy method. Start by organizing core diagnoses into bite-sized cases and review with active recall after each case. Create a routine of short study blocks and schedule spaced repetition to strengthen memory. Focus on common assessments, safety plans, and therapeutic communication techniques. Practice with flashcards and simulated scenarios to build confidence and clinical reasoning for exams and clinical shifts. Learn core skills by practicing therapeutic communication through short role plays and reflective notes. Make safety assessment a priority and always document clear, concise findings for handoff and legal clarity. Study psychotropic medications by connecting drug names to expected effects, nursing interventions, and common side effects. Use quick comparison tables and teach back to solidify understanding. Regularly simulate patient interactions to translate knowledge into confident clinical practice. If you're enjoying these study tips, please like and subscribe so you see more mental health nursing content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort on long clinical shifts and exam days. They stay snug and save you money over time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Select study tools that support active retrieval and application of knowledge. Flashcards and focused question banks help pinpoint weak areas and build recall speed. Visual mind maps connect symptoms, diagnoses, and nursing interventions so you see patterns quickly. Join a small study group to discuss cases, get feedback, and test each other under timed conditions. Keep sessions short, consistent, and goal-oriented to avoid burnout and improve retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.